In this video, you'll be doing a beginner tap dance workout with no jumping. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. If you're here to get in shape, click on the link below. We've got a great tap dance package for you full of content and our Tap Habit program, which helps you establish a regular tap dance habit so you can stay in great shape and have a great time. Just follow along. We're going to have some fun. Here we go. Toes! You got it. You got it. We're doing it. Now heels. Just getting you warmed up. Now you have toe, toe, heel, heel. That's it. Keep it going. Woo! Now you have step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Oh yeah. We're moving. It's nice. Replace the touch with the toe. Step, toe, toe. All right. You got this. Replace the toe with the dig. Dig, step, dig, step, dig. Nice. Beautiful. Now move along to step, heel. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, stamp, stamp. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, stamp, stamp. Keep it going. You got it. Let's cross. Woo! 2 more. Now switch it to dig toe. Dig toe, dig toe, dig toe, stamp, stamp. Beautiful. Now you have dig, dig, step, step. That's it. Woo! Very nice. Replace the digs with stamps. Stamp and stamp and step and step. Down and up and up. Nice. We go to the right. To the back. To the left. To the front. Again. Now, right. Woo! Back. That's it. Left. Oh, that's it. One more time. Nice. Woo! Now, shuffle, shuffle, stamp. Shuffle, shuffle, stamp. Woo! Now, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Stamp, stamp, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Nice. Now shuffle ball change, shuffle ball change, ball change, shuffle ball change, ball change, shuffle ball change, ball change, stamp, 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 shuffle ball change, ball change, shuffle ball change, ball change, shuffle ball change, ball change. Again. All right. Woo! Left side. Nice. Buffalo. One buffalo. Tap, tap. 2 buffalo. 3 buffalo. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Left side. Again. Woo! One more time. Clamp roll, same pattern. 1 gram row, 2 gram row, 3 gram row. Up, 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 left side. Beautiful. Keep it going. Woo! finish to the left. I know I changed the rhythm. Do that rhythm again. Yay! Beautiful! Hey, you made it through the warm-up. That's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for tapping with me. As I mentioned before, if you click that link below, that'll get you to our website where you can get our special package, tons of tap content, and our special Tap Habit program, which helps you establish tap as a regular habit so you have your exercise going all year long. And let's face it, tap dance is a way more fun way to exercise than going to the gym or jogging or what have you. All right, thanks again so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, helping you be happier and healthier through tap dance.